Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a small bowl, combine chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Season steak with chili powder mixture. Brush steak with 1 tablespoon canola oil. Add steak to grill and cook, flipping once, until desired doneness, about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare. 24 October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Look carefully at the top of the meat. You should be able to see some of the grain running across it, looking like very tiny lines. Using the sharp knife, slice the meat perpendicular, or at a 90-degree angle to the grain. So it would be like slicing through lines, rather than slicing with the lines. 30 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
To properly tenderize a steak, lay the steak out on a plate and cover each side with approximately 1 teaspoon of kosher sea salt before cooking. Use your fingers to gently work the salt granules into the surface, breaking down the fibers of the meat. For even more flavor, add crushed garlic to the salt.
Take our lead.
Flank steak. Rump, skirt or flank steak are the best cuts for fajitas. I prefer skirt steak, pictured. It's more tender and flavorful than flank and can be cooked well done, for those who prefer well, without getting tough and chewy. Flank steak is a leaner cut and is better cooked rare, medium. 18 January 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.